Hey guys, welcome to the Mount Sando cave. And that's why become pillar of salt there in the top. Oh guys, this amazing place. A lovely place to welcome to the Salt Mountain. All these mountains are salt.